fucking thing to stop now.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to get this. It's on the wrong thing.
I told you not to goddamn get in the motherfucker bag. It wasn't worth a fuck. What? What? The fuck's that truck doing here? The fuck's that truck doing here? Yeah, can I help you?
Yeah, I'm here to pick up your washing machine. They told me I needed.
What washing machine?
The one you guys can't make payments on.
Well, we can't beat the clothes because of rock. This ain't
What the?
I mean, we wouldn't have to do this. You need to rip off the fucking button.
Where's that? There it is. God,
Relax.
shut the fuck up.
Oh, get real.
What?
What the hell are you gonna try to do?
Y'all done got it fucked up.
What is this gonna do? You're not really. He's plugging this shit in. Can you just unplug the washer? I really have to wash clothes right now. Ah!
I did a good job that time.
Stop! Oh no, Oh, what?
Just shut up.
Oh god, please don't mess with the hot and cold options too. What is this? Oh. Oh god damn, I don't want to look at this.
Damn. If I can go without getting fucking lit.
Please just I'm serious, get your fucking hand away from this. Unplug it. What's this now? Unplug the goddamn washing machine. What's that? Yo, let's just flicker over the lights and shit. Alright now.
Oh well, what the fuck? You get your clothes washed.
Please get your fucking hand off of this. I don't like this. Please, just don't touch it anymore.
Fuck it! You happy? You get your goddamn clothes washed, ain't you, motherfucker? Told you. They repoed the
Alright, seriously, I don't want to be in this room anymore.
They repoed the motherfucker. How much you give them?
150?
What, you dumb son of a bitch? You got... That's more than we fucking owed on the motherfucker!
Well, you got rid of the fucking pool. We couldn't use that anymore.
Man, fuck you. And you...
Oh, God, there's a...
You keep your goddamn hands off that fucking washing machine. You done broke the motherfucker once. Fuck y'all.
Yeah, you need to put those underwear through the washing machine.
My underwear, my shit.